and back. In the sparring, it's enough. Okay? Now we will do like this. We put our palm to here, and you need to hit here. Okay? With your front leg. Up. This with your hand. Okay? Up and that's it. Okay? Okay, try. Very good. Sit down. Sit down.